So the other day I had taught that ED makes an id sound, but today we talked about the fact that ED makes a t sound. So I'm going to show you a couple words here. Like this one here, jumped. Lots of kids will spell it with the T because that's what they hear, right? So we have to explicitly teach that ED has another sound, and it's t. And we talked about the fact that we add ED to the end of words because it's a suffix and it changes the meaning of the word. So which means that it happened in the past. So it's important to use that language that this here is a suffix and this is a base word, just so we are all consistent. When the kids get to spelling, it's very important that they do word sums. I even do this with my students in grade 6 and 7.